Hi. This year has been hard for everybody. I think 2020 hit everybody like a bag of bricks, and that is fair and understandable, and I think that we all need to acknowledge the fact that this year was hard. But I think I want to especially acknowledge students. I live somewhere where high schools and elementary schools are open, but universities and colleges are not, and that can seem really frustrating. I know that it's to keep us safe, and I respect that immensely, but I also know that it is incredibly disheartening. And this semester I've had some really hard semesters since I started university, but this one has been the hardest, and I kind of wanted to let myself have a day where I wasn't stressed about my grades, my assignments, or anything really. I've fallen behind. I have done terribly on almost everything that I've submitted, and it's not for a lack of time or effort. I think it's a lack of motivation, and I think it's a lack of our professors being empathetic for the fact that we are being short-sold on everything. So I kind of wanted to treat myself to a Saturday morning of relaxation. This is something that I'm trying to do every day going forward, and I just want to let myself care about my mind and my body for 1 hour every single day. I just wanted to clarify what was going on in this video because I feel like I just kind of rambled and didn't explain what was going on, but I basically wanted to take the time to get ready and do myself up nicely and wear like my favorite sweater, do my hair, which I haven't done in forever, and just like really take Saturday morning slow. Obviously with everything being so overwhelming, I just wanted the time to reflect and detach myself from like my life for a minute and just have time to think and do things that I enjoy. Anyways, let's get on into it.
Taking my sweater, unpacking a suitcase. This house is a burden. Its windows are airways. Linoleum tiles, cracking and sun-baked. Backdraft, postage stamps, headline, reading lamp, loose change.
I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of more chill video. I want anybody who's watching this to take a step back and just relax and do something for yourself. I know that it's hard to tell yourself sometimes that it's okay, but I don't feel good still, but I definitely feel a lot better than I did before. So I definitely suggest doing this. I am so sorry to anybody who is having a hard time right now. It's getting to a point where everything feels so hopeless, and I'm with you, and I'm sorry. If you did enjoy this video though, even though it's kind of depressing, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I post things, random things, just kind of what's going on in my brain, so yeah. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video.